Motion is everywhere. It can be in response to the great forces of nature, or to an act of life. Form and substance can change almost beyond recognition. Yet within every event, however turbulent, we can find some simple properties that remain absolutely unchanged. Everyone views sparks as something ephemeral, vanishing. They're almost the symbol of the insubstantial. They rise, glow, and die at once. That is a very indulgent view of the world, which depends upon the fact that we are visual creatures. We can easily catch the sparks, some of the sparks, from an ordinary 4th of July sparkler on a kind of net, simply a sheet of white paper. The sparks fly and soon disappear. You'll see a few bouncing on the paper. But now let us see if I have collected any. I simply tap and crease the paper, slightly roll it. And indeed, something quite material is there. It doesn't seem very beautiful. But if I ask a lens to aid my eye, an ordinary magnifying lens, I see something quite astonishing. They are glittering, lustrous, round beads. That's what's left in these streaks. The sparks are indeed not gone. They have not disappeared. They have left something quite remarkable. And of what are they made? We have an easy way to tell. Here is a tiny horseshoe magnet. I slide it along. The little beads love it. They nearly all leap to it. The artisans who compose the mixture of the sparkler put iron or steel filings, scrap material, into their mixture. The fuel heated them. As molten droplets, they flew through the air, round as can be, cooled and disappeared from our sight, but not from the world. It is plainly very dangerous to overindulge the eye, to assume because we no longer see something that it has ceased to exist. The candle flame is bright, and around it we expect really nothing but heat, light, rising air. We see nothing else. But for a long time, curious children have managed to reveal something around the flame, which is by no means visible to us. It takes no more apparatus than a cold spoon. When I place the spoon against the flame, a kind of image of the flame in black soot easily appears. There is matter there, which has condensed on that surface. I can do it quite a different way. If I hold a little farther away a cold knife blade and move it past the flame, when it is just above the flame in the right place, a breath of steam will condense. Water, too, is coming in and from the flame. The flame does not end where the light ends. The invisible is often as significant as what we see.